this is an extended version of the last one. As you can see, there are only 4 boxes there instead of the ticking across. Similar layout, but I've just adjusted the way I use PictureBoxes and used this thing here, which is an image list. So the image list, which you can see on here, you attach a variety of images to it. This is a little complicated. It creates a list. So object 0 is a cross, object 1 is a tick, object 2 is a question mark. And so if we look at the code, so when form is loaded, it calls the reset form function, which reset the form, set all images to question mark, well, picture boxes. So yeah, image 2, so there was 0 was a red cross, 1 was a question mark, and 2 was the, no, 2 was, yeah, 2 is the question mark anyway. And I've also got here this reset form button, which just reset form and clear text boxes. So using the dot clear on the text box, so text A1, that one there. And you can see text A1. So text A1.clear just empties the contents of it, clears the contents of it. Okay, and then this is what happens when you submit. Run when submit, press declare a variable for score. Check question 1 answer. And then yeah, so if text A1.text, so the contents of the first box is 25, then add 1 to score and show image 1, green tick, else show image 0, red cross. So here I've got player score plus equals 1. That is identical to player score equals player score plus 1. The exact same thing, it's just a faster way of writing it. So yeah, check question 1, check question 2, check question 3, check question 4, show result. So if we run the code, yeah, it's not release mode. Release mode just makes it load a bit faster. So what is 5 by 5? As you can see, we don't know if any of them are right. We click on submit. No, they're all wrong. Your score was 0. Reset the form. Okay, so what was 5 by 5? 25. Who is Superman? Oh, it's Clark Kent, sorry, Superman. Computer science. Submit answers. Your score was 3. Okay. It's the capital of Australia. Canberra. Submit answers. Ace. Reset form. So basically, the complexity that this adds, it adds a reset form button, which isn't that hard. The complexity is mainly this. So combining the picture box, which is this one here, with the image list, which is this one here. So you just get the image list and you drag it down there. And then go on to images, add your images, okay, and then you can order them however you like. But yeah, we don't need that. So yeah, so that's version 3.